This is where the movies are celebrated. It's premiere night.
We're extending the story beyond the street itself.
As we say, the Hollywood that never was, but always will be. Hello, my name is Andy Martin. I'm a creative director here at Walt Disney Imagineering in Paris, and I'm responsible for the artistic and creative direction of World Premiere. So World Premiere is essentially Act 2 in a 3-act play with our new narrative for the park. So you step into the park, this is where the movies are made. Coming into World Premiere, this is where the movies are celebrated. It's premiere night. And then walking through the Disney Theater, that's where you're going to be able to experience the various movies and stories inside the immersive worlds inside of our park. So World Premiere is an ambitious transformation of what was Studio One. Studio One used to take you behind the scenes of movie-making magic, and with World Premiere, we are transporting you to Hollywood on premiere night under a beautiful starry night. As we say, the Hollywood that never was, but always will be. And there's so much to do here in World Premiere. You'll be able to dine under the stars at the Hollywood Gardens restaurant, grab a snack or a refreshment over at Searchlight, or go shopping and pick up a favorite souvenir at the Mickey's of Hollywood boutique.
Hello, my name is Bowie Faz and I'm a creative producer here at Walt Disney Imagineering Paris. Of course, with the direction of the park to create immersive worlds, World Premiere couldn't be left out. We're doing a variety of things to make you feel as if you're on a street in Los Angeles in an always nighttime event. So we're introducing a Los Angeles skyline that will augment with projections. You might see an airplane take off, you might see fireworks in the distance, you might see a neon sign blinking to create a sense of immersion.
Although our story is set today, we are really inspired by that classical romantic style of some of Hollywood's most famous buildings, and we really wanted to capture them down to a very authentic detail. And that includes the tactile quality. You'll be able to come up to the Disney Studios building from Burbank, touch the facade, and it will feel just like the facade does over at our Burbank studios.
One of the biggest challenges that we have here at World Premiere is that we have just 1 year from closure to reopening as World Premiere. And with that comes that we need to strategize accordingly. So this meant that a lot of the sets had to be made completely prefab.
I thought one of the most rewarding parts of the project is all of these incredible facades you see around me being brought into the building and assembled like a jigsaw puzzle.
We cannot wait to roll out the red carpet and invite you to World Premiere next spring.